Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool number line. We are solving problems related to TEKS 5.2c, and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a number that can be rounded to the nearest tenth, and it is going to be 19 and 6/10. So the original number is less than that. And what could that number be? There's more than one answer. And if this were a star problem, you would just type it in. All right, so we've got many different options here. So let's visualize this with a number line and realize how many different options we can choose. All right, so we're going to round to the nearest tenth. And that nearest tenth is going to be 19 and 6/10. So let's just put that right here, 19 and 6/10. And it's going to round to the nearest tenth. So let's look at what is a tenth below, and then what is a tenth above. All right, so we need a midpoint, right? So we need a midpoint. What it comes in between 19.5 and 19.6? Well, if we're rounding to the tenths, that means the hundredths is going to come into play. So let's add zeros, because now I can find a midpoint between 1950 and 1960. That's pretty easy. 1955. Then I can find a midpoint between 1960 and 1970. 1965. So anything that's going to land between here and here. And I'm going to put a open circle on 1965 because 1965 would actually round up to 1970. So anything 1955 would round up. Anything between 1955 and 1964, let's call it, is going to round to 1960. So that's going to be helpful. And the 1960 is obviously what we're looking for. That's that 19 and 6/10. But the original number is less than. Okay, so we're going to do less than 19 and 6/10. All right, so what we've done is we've just gotten rid of all of that right there. We can't use that. So really, what we have is we've got that zone right there. Anything within that zone is going to work for you. Now, you might think there's not a lot of numbers, but there actually are a lot of numbers. So I'm going to list them. I'm just going to put many right here. Let's list the numbers to the hundredths place that could work within that zone. So our smallest is going to be 19 and 55 hundredths, right? And if we wanted to think, we could do 19 and 56 hundredths, 57, 58, 59, right? So I could kind of just think of the hundredths place and I could work with this 57. And if you choose one of these, that's fine. Because to answer this problem, all you need is one possible answer. So these are the numbers that would work to the hundredths place. Now, what gets so interesting is we don't have to stick to the hundredths place. Because if we were to zoom in on just that section, we could see that we could also go to, look at this, the thousandths place. So look at all the numbers that can go in between each of those tenths, right? So in between 19 and 55 hundredths and 19 and 56 hundredths, I'm going to put zeros right here, just so we can kind of visualize that. In between there becomes 19.551, 19,552, 19,553, and it goes all the way down to 19 and 559. So all of these work, right? I'm just going to put like a little arrow showing it goes all the way down to 19 and 559. But then it also does the 19 and 561, 19 and 569, and then we get 19 and 571 to 19 to 579, and it goes on 81 and 91. So there are a lot of different options here.